FaceTime. She looking for a thug, it ain't this one. Yeah, shorty, let's link up. Every Friday.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Pretty K YouTube channel.
Hello, what's your name? Hey, you wanna claim me?
Okay, so I'm gonna finish curling my wig. I actually stopped curling it, and I'm gonna take down this hair so I can install my beautiful wig. I got this wig for my birthday.
Then leaving this.
Girl, they cannot see your little short self.
Yeah, I don't like it.
I don't know. I might finna re-curl it. Let me see how it looks.
Look at my hair. This is this.
They can't see you. Gotta get back on the bed so they can see your hair.
Whoa.
Ooh. Stop playing with her. Play with your daddy. Period. Tell them stop playing with me. Play with your daddy.
Where's your dad now?
Period.
Period.
You want to be in the camera?
Yeah, I'm gonna be in the camera.
Let me move your little body.
Hello, what's your name? This is my hair.
That's your hair.
My hair.
Say period.
Period.
My
You
hair.
play my dad.
Period. Play with your dad.
Yeah, stop playing with my dad. Hello, what's your name? My mom is called back. And he don't like it this. And he just called back. You want to go up there? Then again with right there. You guys just go to the other one, the window. And you wanted to crawl on here. And mommy's just a bit quiet over there. And he just come back. And he just hand me up. And then she just about hair. Look at my hair was in this. It's just your no hair. And still on his baby. No TV's on you this day. Right. Go quit my daddy. Just there it up. Mommy's up right there. And she's on the window. Right here, all right there to the bang, bang, bang. Okay, mommy's up bang, 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 bang. Let's bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Let's talk about the bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Let's talk about the bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Let's talk about the bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Let's talk about the bang, bang, bang.
I might be a little rusty because I am tired.
Mommy, I can't see.
What you trying to look at, Shaq?
Mommy, I can't see.
Don't touch me.
Okay.
Of these little rotters things, so I had to go give me some more. And these actually good. These actually better than those. I had those for like the dollar store when I was being cheap, but I ended up going to the beauty supply, and I like different sizes. Yeah, get one.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sister.
This
So,
is mine of threaded. Look, this is mine.
what color is that?
Orange.
Okay.
It's a white threaded.
So I'm gonna ride this here, finish it because I didn't finish the back part right here.
Okay.
So I have like a little more left. And this is like one of my wigs for like my birthday. This year, only would like a little bit, but it was still good. I washed it and everything.
Mommy, this is my orange.
I washed it and everything yesterday, and tonight I'm gonna take down my braids so I can install it. So I can install it tomorrow in my head. Y'all, I'm finna do my hair, and I'm finna put this wig on because I'm supposed to be going out with my people today, family. And I have to braid my hair to put this wig on, so that's what I'm finna do. I'm finna braid my hair and then I'm gonna come back when I'm finna get ready to install the wig on and melt down the cap and everything. Just do like a basic makeup look today. I did want to do some eyeshadow, but I don't need to do all that. I could just put some foundation on my face and get through the day. That should do enough, right? So I'm gonna, and then my sister might be here too by then. So yeah, so I'm gonna braid my hair. Y'all see my hair? My hair cannot stay like straight, like down. I never had my hair straightened like down, like out. If I did, it's probably when I was little. No, I never did. It was always done. So yeah, so I'm gonna do my hair and I'll be back when I done with everything. So yeah, I'm just gonna push back my edges because I don't want none of my edges to come out. Girl, I got edges. Most bitches don't, because that's all they do is slap wigs on their head, but not me. I love my edges. So I'm gonna push all my baby hairs back. And I'm looking right here because that's where my mirror at, but I'll put y'all in my face too so y'all could see what I'm doing. I am not a professional. I just wanted to do my wig because I'm going out with my peoples today. So I just want to do my. So now we can do the ball cap method. I scooted it back with some Got To Be the black bottle. I didn't use these because this spray right here, this is what I'm about to be using because I seen them on TikTok. The glue is $3.99 and the spray is $5.99. So, and this spray so far, when I first did it, that motherfucker hold it. So I'm gonna redo it again, and I don't know about it on myself. Y'all never know. In the near future, I might do it on somebody, but right now, I'm just practicing on my little self right now. I got my Got To Be too, but I see this spray like I just told y'all on TikTok, and they said it's good, so I'm gonna use it. Spray it all around where you're gonna cut it off, right in the forehead. Okay, so y'all, it should be dry now. It feels dry, but now it's time to cut. clothes right now. Okay. Don't be scared to get in it. Okay. So, like, should I get like a pencil or something so I know where to cut? Like all this. I'm about to get one of my mark and see where to cut it at. Start in the middle. It's pretty melted down. It really did its job. I ain't gonna lie. I like this better than it got to be. Gonna come out. Oh, that's dark. My damn lace ain't that dark. Well, my forehead not even that color. But that's what color the lace is. So okay, I'm just gonna clean that up right quick. So far, it's a little struggle, but we gonna work with it. I think I should have put my foundation on it, but we gonna work on it. So far, that ball cap is nice. See, I ain't never heard no ball cap like that. So you know that glue works. Oh shit. Be gently. Oh shit. I seen girls like put it on they cap too, so that's what I'm gonna do. Just put it on my cap too. Oh everything, so I don't have to do too much on it, but just put it on my beautiful head. Okay, so we're gonna go all the way around, like on the wig. And we're gonna tighten it. I've seen girls say tighten it so you feel your head beating. That's how you get the melt. So we trying to get it melted. Okay. Yeah, that shit melted. So let me go wash my hands and clean this up, and then I'm gonna start on my makeup. So actually, I'm gonna shower and then do my makeup and have like. Okay, so I'm back. I just got to shower, wash my teeth, brushed my teeth, did all this stuff I needed to do. Now I am about to do my foundation and everything. I'm gonna use the Savage X Fenty foundation. Is this the foundation? No, this is the highlight. Where's the foundation? Oh, it's probably in my bag when I take it out with me. So I'll be taking that one out. Okay, so it took me a minute to find my babies because I was gonna lose my marbles. So I do have like some black spots in my face, so I'm going to be using like a color corrector on my face. We're at this moment, right? Okay, so I just put it like where I wanted the color corrector to go. Now I'm gonna blend it in. Oh, I did this wrong. I was supposed to do my what's the name, folks? I could do it around it though. Yeah, I'm everywhere today, huh? So I'm supposed to do my what's the name first? I'm everywhere. Then fucking goes my lips feel crushed. Brows. Your eyebrows need arching. Arch your eyebrows. If you can't, go to the shop and get them wax or 3D and everything. I'm gonna take Toffe and I'm gonna put that at the top of my eyebrows. Look at that. Stop playing with me. Play with your daddy. Don't play with me. Or play with your mama. Whoever play with you the most. Play with them. Don't play with me. I'm going to clean the top with my foundation. I use the one that's like at the top. So I ain't got to do too much. So I'm going to pull this up a little bit. And clean that boy. Put some primer on my face and I'm gonna go around like the spots I already did with color corrector already. Like skin is just like on 100 right now. Yeah, I guess because they know, like my skin know I'm getting cute. This damn thing is really hurting me, so I really want to take this off. Oh, it's hurt the mess out of my ear. Oh shit. That shit hurted my ear. Oh, and that motherfucker melted down. Now I gotta do my ear inside of it. Fentybeauty. And I'm finna just use that on my face. And I'm just finna powder it on my face. Concealer. I said I wasn't, but I am. Okay. So I'm gonna do like what they do. They put some right here. And then they put some right here. They said because it make your your eye lift up or something like that. Then I'm gonna put it in the normal spots. And getting cute. Outstand other people. Outshine them. I'm gonna use my foundation spray. And I'm going to pat that in. So, what we do? We bake, but I'm gonna use the little brown kind, and I'm gonna use a little bit, not too much, not too big, Well, let it sit on your face for a little bit. I'm just going back to the places that I put my foundation at, right? Then we're gonna take your little foundation brush, right? I mean your powder brush, and you just want to wipe it off. Bam. There you go. Then you're gonna take your setting spray. I got some new setting spray. Matte finish, long lasting, weight loss, oil control. Ooh, I need that. And it's by Magic Collection. Hold on. Ugh, this smells like man cologne. See, a light makeup, you know, not too much. That's what I might start using, because I just like how like light it is, you know. I got this. I just use this for my own. I use this for my lashes so they could what's the name more, so they can get dry more. Okay, that should be fine. Then you put your lash on. Do my baby hairs. I think I put the wig on too fucking far. Like, it looks too far on me. But I can't take it. I can't lift it, you know. Look at it. It just look kind of weird. I can't scoot it back either. I think that's the only part that I hate about it. But other than that, it looks very good. Look at it. Okay, so now edges. I'm going to use some Ghost Bar. Got to be for my edges, and I'm going to just like I told you, I'm not a hairstylist, so, but I feel like the wig is like way down a little bit too much. Yeah, I wish I would have known that. But I'm just doing my edges. Yeah, I should have scooted up a little bit back. Scooted it back a little, but it's like glued the fuck down now, and I can't change that. But it look nice, I ain't gonna lie. I need to cut the I need to do like the middle part. Yeah, it's all on my forehead. Oh, this is so funny. I messed up. I'm gonna fix it, y'all. I'm gonna fix it, but I can't fix it right now because this shit glued the fuck down all the way. I need to take this off and do it all over again. It's cute, but that fucking glue is strong as hell. I'm not even gonna lie. But I have to scoot this shit back. Oh my god. Cause I can't, hold on. Yeah, I gotta scoot this back. Hold on, I'll be back when I fix it, cause it's cute, but it's like too far up. I'll be back. Yeah, I'm gonna use this for my part, and I'm just gonna spray it. Yeah, so if you mess up, just use that. Bam, bitch! It's 24. So, yeah. Okay, I tried. Okay, now we need some alcohol right quick so I could clean where the spot used to be at. So I could clean that up. So I can get in there. I'm just gonna put on my lip liner. I use a brown lip liner to go around my lips. And so I just do that, and then I take this pink lip gloss. I actually got this from this lady named Sheila, but I forgot her business. So Sheila, if you watch my videos, just know I use your lip gloss. I just forgot your name of your business, and I think I lost your cards too. Actually, they're not even with me. They at another place, but I think I still got them. They just not with me. So at first I did not like the pink one because it was so pink, but now I like it. And then I get a brush and I smear it out. that's all I do with my lip. It normally be like darker, but this is the end of this video. Do y'all like the curls? Cause I do. We had a little fallout with the lace, but everything came out nice. So I hope y'all like this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, be a part of the Pretty K gang. I'm gonna go out with my mom, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Oh, and can y'all try to get, like, come on, share my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna still keep posting, but thank y'all for watching, though. It's been a long journey with this foundation. I mean, with this makeup. So, yeah. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. I'm gonna take me some pictures.